everyone, and welcome back to another mukbang! I hope you're all having an awesome day today. We are going to be eating some ramen. I know I said I was going to switch off every other week. Next week, I'm doing a collab with Natalie Nightwolf. We're both going to eat some pizza, so I figured I'd just save pizza to next week, and I'm going to eat some of this delicious kimchi ramen. My favorite ramen, this Nongshim real kimchi ramen. It's the best, I swear. And yes, I need to do a top 5 or top 10 ramen. I know. Stop reminding me. Or don't stop reminding me, because reminding me keeps me remembering that I said I was going to do that. And I haven't, because I'm a flake. Okay, I definitely am going to need more than one lime, one quarter of a lime. I didn't bring my water over here, so I might have to get up and go get that. Just one more for now. This one is like mostly noodles, barely broth. I should have added more water. But it's okay. It will be good either way. And actually, why am I doing that? I could just wipe my hands on the tablecloth. I have to change it. It's disgusting. Okay. Fuck, that's so good. That is my perfect flavor combination. Oh my god, so good. It has to have the right amount of lime. What's up, buddy? Why are you whining? That kimchi is spicy. Let's get in on these noodles. There's 5 grams of protein in this. Interesting. These noodles are so good. It's so good because of the kimchi pieces that are like all tangled up in the noodles. So good. It's specifically this freeze-dried kimchi that I really like. I don't know why. I'm gonna eat a bunch of noodles so that I can get down to some broth. So tasty. So tasty. Unlike those fucking horrible Pop-Tarts. Those things were awful. I'm glad I didn't eat too much of each of them too, because that would have given me an upset stomach. All that sugar. Too hot. I have to cool it down before I can get a good slurp. That last little noodle was like, no, bitch. Yes, bitch, I'm gonna eat you. Get in my mouth. Hopefully you guys liked this week. I kind of really liked it. Monday is a pre-filmed mukbang. Thursday is a pre-filmed mukbang. Tuesday, Wednesday are live. Friday is either going to be live or pre-filmed. It just depends on Thursday. Because if I pre-film Thursday, then I can film on Thursday for Friday, if that makes any sense. So hopefully you guys liked this week that I did like Monday kind of was a product review mukbang type video. Thursday was definitely just like kind of product reviews, not really mukbang. And then Friday's my favorite day. Because then I get to eat either pizza or ramen and then whatever snacks I want. Let me know what you guys would like to see next week. Should I go back to the Asian market and try to get some Japanese snacks? Darby, get up and go to your crate. One single hair went in there. One or two more bites of noodles, and we'll go back to eating broth and drinking the broth. Oh, I can't wait to drink your broth. Not enough broth in this one at all. Big ass chunk of kimchi. Delicious. Ooh. Starts to get a little spicy at the end. Ooh, that chili. Ooh. I think it's just red chili peppers. Yeah, red chili peppers. So spicy. Oh. Excuse me. Real kimchi. Yes, it is. It's like the last little bit of broth gets like thick too because of the noodles sitting in it. I'm like losing their starch. Just a little more. A little more. Mmm. 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 My phone is blowing up, y'all. The whole 2 messages, oh my god. Mmm. Oh my god, that's so good. Oh, that last little bit of red chili pepper. Mmm. Lime made it all better though. Delicious. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that thumbs up button. Subscribe if you like some more. I make new videos Monday through Friday. You can follow me on Snapchat, positive.smash, Instagram, positive.smash. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great rest of your night or day or whatever. Bye!